High Performance Systems here with a case study we are very proud of. If you live in New York and New Jersey, then you might recognize this job site. This installation was at the Staten Island Ferry. We were brought in to put down new flooring in the main concourse. This project proposed several very unique challenges. The floors needed to be completed quickly and safely to not interrupt the massive amount of commuters who go through the ferry every day. The flooring also needed to withstand a ton of daily wear and tear, while also looking aesthetically pleasing. For this project, we had to be extra cautious about dust and debris because we couldn't close down the entire concourse as we worked. We worked by putting up plastic curtain dividers around the areas we were focusing on and made extensive use of our arsenal of HEPA vacuums. The first step was to remove all loose and cracked tiles and fill any voids with engineered concrete. Then we mechanically abraded the existing tile and again patched any areas that needed it. The HEPA vacuums made it sure no dust made it to the commuters traveling through the ferry. The next thing we did was apply an elastomeric floor coating. An elastomeric floor coating is a type of concrete sealant that is excellent for floors with very heavy wear and tear. It's more expensive than other sealants, so we do not recommend it for every job. But for a project like this, it was necessary. It's a thick sealant that absorbs flexing of the concrete slab and provides superior waterproofing, something absolutely necessary for a floor this close to the water. After, we applied a 1/4-inch urethane cement slurry to create a smooth and even surface. Finally, we poured on the decorative epoxy top coat. This job had 4 different custom colors for us to pour. Being that we had to complete the concourse in sections, we needed to match the colors perfectly. It took many weeks of trial and error, but thanks to our decades of experience, we were able to pull it off. This was a huge, arduous project, but we are very proud of how it came out. Next time you visit the Staten Island Ferry, you'll be able to appreciate the hard work that went into the floor that you're standing on. If you have a flooring project that needs to get done, whether it be fairly routine or something out of the ordinary, give us a call at 800-928-7220 or visit us at highperformancesystems.com.